Help! Come on, guys, seriously, calm down. We need to find a way to get out of here.
But how? He has the keys and he's the only one who lives here. Heck, we don't even know where we're at. If only that granny knew where I was at.
Or the toilet. Hush. Hush, little ones.
Look at that granny on you.
You aren't going away anytime
Any last words before our death? Red? Okay, I have a confession to make. My favorite color really is blue.
I'm not really blind. I get government assistance, and it's just too good to pass up.
Brown.
I was adopted. Prince, I'm your father.
Really?
No, not really.